Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted responses from Google Forms. This is incredibly useful if you've accidentally removed important form submissions or need to restore data that was previously deleted. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account that originally created the form where the responses were deleted. This step is essential because forms are tied to specific Google accounts and you won't be able to access forms created under a different account. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent forms displayed. Look through your recent forms section and locate the specific form where you want to recover the deleted responses. Click on that form to open it. This brings up the form editor where you can make changes and view submissions. Once you're inside the form, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see several tabs including questions, responses, and settings. Click on the Responses tab. This is where all the form submission data is stored and managed, and it's the key section for recovering your deleted information. In the Responses section, look for the three dotted lines icon, typically found near the top right area of the Responses view. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, select the option that says Select Destination for Responses. This feature allows you to link your form responses to a Google Sheets spreadsheet, which is crucial for recovery. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your spreadsheet. In the field provided, type your preferred spreadsheet name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click the Create button. Google will now generate a new spreadsheet and begin syncing your form responses to it. This process might take a moment, especially if you have a large number of responses, so be patient while it completes. After the spreadsheet is created, you'll see an option that says View in Sheet. Click on this link. It will open the newly created Google Sheets document in a new tab or window. Here you can now view all your response data, including any previously deleted responses that may have been recoverable through this method. The spreadsheet will display all submissions in an organized format with timestamps and individual answers. And that's it. You've successfully set up a new response destination which can help you recover and preserve your Google Forms data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.